Today we're here with Thomas down at our Shigiya CNC Camshaft Grinder. Thomas isn't normally here. He's filling in the gap today with a couple of staff members away. So thank you, Thomas. Tom, can you maybe take us through the operation we're currently running and a bit of the ins and outs behind that?
I sure can. Yeah, this is one of our Japanese machines. This one is currently grinding journals. It's one of two journal grinders we've got here. It is able to finish our journals to a tolerance of about 2 micron. And so after heat treatment, we're taking these journals down. Currently doing a first operation to grind the snout, thrust and triggers, and then we'll be going to a second operation to grind the other 4 journals.
So after that operation's done, what's the next process in the list?
Next process after this, these will be given to our QC team. They'll go over them to confirm that those journals, concentricity and size are all perfect, which they will find they are.
Yep.
And then they'll be taken over to the shaft grinder over here for lobes.
Perfect. Awesome, Tom.
No problem.